Choosing a scion. Scion's diameter must be slightly smaller, or of the same size as rootstock. Preparing the rootstock. Cut off the rootstock stem flat across using a sharp pruner. Make a small incision. Preparing the scion. Scion should be 3 to 6 inches of stem. Make two opposing angled cuts on both sides of the stem. Creating the graft. Slide the scion into the cut so that the cambium layers on both sides match. Securing the graft. Secure the graft using a grafting tape. Wrap it round to create an airtight seal. This helps prevent desiccation. Wait for 30 or more days to see results.